I'm under attack. Oh, here's another one. He's blind. Puss. Buckler. Combined age of about 40. Yeah, honestly, at least 40. That's more than 40. What am I talking about? The white one's at least 25. At least. Like at the very lowest, he's 25. Black one's 18. He was 18 this month. I got my mini onesie on over other stuff, obviously, and I took it off last night and my socks came off with it. And I couldn't be bothered to take them out. Can you see? So I just having to walk along, I'm well, not having to, but I'm walking on my socks. And it's actually helping keep them warm. It's not terribly comfortable. Right, let's go feed you guys. Fluff. Are you hungry? Would you like some meat? Shit.